Like previous years, this year also Durga Puja is on almost starting next week. And I think Shillong and Meghalaya in general is known for maintaining the amity, brotherhood, and that bond between different communities. Particularly during the festival season, the majority community makes sure that the minority communities here who are observing Puja or any other Buddha Purnima or of any other religious is facilitated. So we expect the same response. And particularly, as you are aware, since 1993, before the onset of the festival season, we organize the all faith, all religion get together of harmony. So this also we interact with the faith leaders, religious leaders, and send a message to the followers of different religion and faith that we are together, and it is ultimately humanity which counts, humanity which triumphs. So this all faith meeting again we are having on the 20th, and this time it will be at the Ramakrishna Mission Light Mukra, and we expect all the faith leaders to be present like other years. And from CPC also, we appeal to all to maintain peace, harmony, and the bonhomie which exists among different religious groups. Particularly, Meghalaya is known for the we hardly have had any discord, particularly on religious lines. So we should uphold this, and it is the ardent duty of all true Meghalayan to uphold this and carry it forward.